In this training video, we'll be going over adding notes to your line items and adding regular business hours or after hours. So as you can see, we have line items right here. We're in a project, estimate, and you have line items already populated here. And to add a note, which is absolutely fantastic, you can literally add a note to each and every line item. So just click on that dot right there, on that icon, okay, and then write your note. So in this case, we have water extraction from carpeted floor. Now I will make a note right now in regards to this and say heavy pet stains throughout. Okay, heavy pet stains throughout. I'm going to click OK. And look, just like that, the note showed up. Fantastic. So with having these notes, you can help yourself to get paid a lot easier by being more descriptive for the line item. So adding notes is absolutely easy. You can just go right on down the line and add notes. Let's pull it up again and I'll show you another feature. So besides the notes, which I could just edit right now if I wanted to, okay, or leave it. Let's say that this job was not done in regular hours. So it was done after hours. So this is the other dual feature that you can do. Click on there and just like so, after hours appeared. You made a mistake, deselect it, it just disappeared, the after hours. But let's do it for illustration purposes. And there it is, after hours. We also, as I've been saying, we have these video icons throughout the program. So if you need more training for just this function alone, the video will follow you wherever you go on this program. Okay, so we've selected after hours. Let's do it. Just click OK. And after hours is now there. A fantastic feature right on the estimate. Okay, there's no boxes to populate somewhere else and then it later comes in. You are literally working on this estimate as you go, okay, from left to right. It is just laid out very, very well. So this is how you add notes. Click on this icon with the pencil and then you'll be able to type in your note. Okay, this comes down. It even lets you know you're adding a note to the line item and or hours. We know about that this is the bathroom or the bath, and then the line item itself is right there, all as reminders on what you're working on. You can see it right there, but this helps you. Type in right here, select regular hours or after hours. See how that just popped in, and then click OK. It's just that easy. So everything right at a glance and so easy to use. To your success, and thank you for watching.